Hi, I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to talk about how to deal with hunger when you're fasting. Well, first of all, it's really important to know that you're not actually hungry. If you're juice fasting, you're taking in a huge number of nutrients, life force, vitality, and oxygen. Your cells are getting more nutrients than they would ever get if you were eating normally. So you're not actually hungry. You're having an experience of missing the food that you're programmed to get at certain times, and that's a completely different thing. Understanding that unless you're feeling low blood sugar and lightheaded and feeling like you're gonna pass out, which would be because you're not getting enough vegetable juice while you're fasting, you are not actually hungry. Now, the question then becomes what to do or how to deal with the desire to consume, the compulsion to consume food because you're not feeling full and you're not feeling like you're not having the chewing experience, you're not having the swallowing experience, you're not having the full feeling that you're used to having multiple times each day. So for that, I recommend a few things. One is to distract yourself with things that you really enjoy doing. So non-food activities that you love can be anything from pampering yourself, like making a spa out of your home and having luxurious baths and massaging your feet, or going for a massage or going to a spa, to going for a beautiful walk in nature, or meeting a friend for tea or for a juice. You can still be really social around your fasting liquids. If you love to read, choose a great book, do a great project, do something that you've been wanting to do for so long but haven't had the time to do. Immerse yourself in something so you're unburdened by the feeling of the duration of time that you're not eating. There's so many things you can do. You can go to a movie, you can watch a movie at home, you can meditate, you can think of all the things that you really love to do and do them while you're fasting, and you won't miss the food. One of the things that helps me the most when I'm juice fasting is knowing I can have some vegetable broth. The vegetable broth is very grounding, it's very earthy, and it's very filling, and it's warm. So make yourself a delicious bowl of vegetable broth. One caveat would be to just make sure that you're getting a natural organic vegetable broth unless you're making it yourself. Don't buy bouillon cubes, don't buy anything that has, GMO or MSG. Be really careful because you want to make sure it's very, very pure. When you do make a good vegetable broth, it will deeply satiate you and you'll be able to progress with your juice fast. And if you like the idea of vegetable broth, check out our website, detoxtheworld.com, and you'll find some yummy vegetable broth recipes there.